Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can restore a tab, or for example a closed tab in the Zen browser once you have shut down the Zen browser on your device in 2026. So let us dive into this. So there are two ways, guys, how you can do this. So let's assume, for instance, here in the Zen browser you have several tabs open here, and now you accidentally closed the Zen browser and you would like to continue where you left off in your last session in the given tab and restore it. For this, you will need to access your browser settings by clicking into these three dots here in the top right, select Settings here, and in your browser settings, navigate to General, and here just below the Startup section, you will see these two options: Open Previous Windows and Tabs. Make sure that this is enabled, and maybe enabled on default already for you. And also continue where you left off. This is going to do exactly what I just explained. It will then open the Zen browser in a new window on your device, and you will see all the tabs that have been closed together with the entire browser open back again. And there's also option number 2, guys. For example, if I close that tab here, google.com, by clicking to that X button. And if you, for instance, did that accidentally, you may right-click into that field and select Reopen Closed Tab. And then it's going to restore the closed tab within your current session, not the entire window, but the selected tab. And that's the second option, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.